I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone or tablet supports Esim and is unlocked. This avoids activation failure. Once done, pick a travel plan that matches your trip length and data needs so you don't waste money. Make the purchase and immediately save the QR or activation details to a secure note. Then, switch to airplane mode to avoid carrier interference and open your device's Esim or mobile plan settings. Tap Add Mobile Plan to start the import. Follow on-screen prompts to scan or paste the code. You now complete the detailed installation. Scan the QR or manually enter SMDP Plus and activation code. This registers the Esim profile on your device. After import, name the plan and assign it to mobile data or voice as needed. Make sure your primary number remains reachable if you require calls or 2FA. Next, enable data roaming and select the preferred network type like 4G to balance speed and battery life. Finally, restart radio or toggle airplane mode off and load a lightweight web page. You finish by making the travel Esim your default data line while retaining your home SIM for voice or text if required. Make sure to track remaining data and expiry in the plan settings so you can top up or change plans before running out. If you need to save battery, restrict background data for big apps. If connectivity fails, first toggle airplane mode and reboot. If that fails, remove and re-import the profile or contact the Esim vendor with your activation details for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.